Alright, so this is just going to be a quick review of the Sabatassos pizza singles. Comes with 6 pepperoni and 6 4-cheese little pizzas. So you can cook them in the microwave or in the oven. They come with these little silver sheets for in the microwave. I actually air fried them. If you're wondering why the cheese one's all screwed up like this, what I do is I air fry them, and then I like to put this tray on top and flip it upside down to get the crust so that the bottom is all extra brown, because the air fryer's can't really get the air underneath as well. Either that or I have to lower the setting, or I don't know, but I just do it like that and it comes out and it tastes really good. So it comes like this in this box. They'll usually put like a piece of tape on this side and that I peeled off. Alright, and then when you open it, okay, you just open it like this. The box opens and there's 6 pizzas. So there'll be a stack of 3 here, stack of 3 here, and then stack of 3 here, stack of 3 here. So two rows or 2 parts cheese and then 2 with the pepperoni, of course. Alright, so you can see, let me see if the nutrition facts are on here or anything. So here they show the cooking instructions. I just flipped it over, but you can see how they say to cook it. Preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, throw away the plastic wrap and the silver tray. The tray is meant for the microwave. Alright, put the pizza in the center rack and 13 to 15 minutes, alright, or until the cheese turns brown. Don't thaw the pizza, alright? And yeah, right, in the microwave, you take it out of the plastic wrap, put it on the silver tray, and then put it on a microwave safe plate and microwave it minute 20 seconds to a minute 35 for pepperoni, and for the cheese one, 115 to 130. Okay, and same thing, it says don't thaw it. So here you can see the bottom. Okay. Alright, and you can see the nutrition facts, so you can read all of these yourself. When I tried these, I tried them before already. I'm not gonna lie, the cheese pizza to me tastes a lot better, which is a good thing. Here you can see that it's less calories, alright? Less fat, less saturated fat, alright? So everything about it, it's not a healthy food, but it's not as bad as the pepperoni one. So here you can see less cholesterol, less sodium, same amount of carbs, same fiber, same sugar, alright, and then same protein. I don't know how cheese has as much protein as the...
Head northwest on North Hill.
Sorry about that. So I don't know how the cheese has as much protein as the pepperoni, but it does. Alright. Here you can see potassium. The pepperoni one has more potassium. It has more iron. And yeah. But that's pretty much it. Here you go. You can read all the ingredients yourself if you're curious. Okay, you can pause that. But there we go. So I got this. Alright. Again, I air fried them. And they're like really crispy. They've actually been sitting a while. So it lost some of its crunch. This one should be a lot more crunchy because I just air fried it. But here you go. It has a nice flaky crust. I really like the texture of this crust, so it's a nice pizza crust. I'm not sure what kind of pizza to compare it to, but the way I air fried it has a nice crispy outside, and then it's slightly flaky, somewhat like a pie crust, and then has the slight chew and bite like bread. So it's really nice. Again, I prefer the flavor of the cheese one. They're both good, but yeah, that's my review. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully it helped you decide to give them a try if you haven't tried them before. For the price, it's pretty good, at least when it's on sale. I don't remember the normal price, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in another one. Bye.